I was shocked at how hard it was to use the jack. That actually surprised me.
Every aspect.
Yeah,
Way more difficult than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it's like what you take from your Harbor Freight jack times 10. What you take from your Harbor Freight impact gun times 10. I'm seeing a theme here.
I'm Spencer Bishop, Jackman on the 24 car.
I am Brandon Johnson, Jackman on 5 car.
So the role of Jackman, you do a little bit of everything. We'll run out in front of the car, start on the right side, get a nice peg and pump, and put the right front tire on, and then we'll run around to the left side. Yeah, there's a lot that can go wrong being a Jackman. You can miss a peg.
Did I miss it? Close.
Not get the car high enough.
It's probably the #1 mistake that people make is dropping the car with no wheels on it. So your day would be pretty.
Use your body weight, a little bit of bench press.
Gotcha.
But you're a strong young pup.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. It's anybody's game right now.
This one's tough.
Yeah.
This one's tough.
All those extra Dunkin' Donuts are helping me out right now.
Yeah. I got it. Okay.
Right now.
That was fun.
I think you beat me both in the number of challenges and the total time. I barely beat you on mine. Holy crap. That's extremely physical.